Oh shit, it's about that time. And that homie just pulled up too. Where that boy at? Hello.
God, that camera, bro.
Huh? What?
You guys need force, bro.
Force, yeah. I'm so weak. Hey, what you think of the new cam setup, bro?
Cool though.
Yes, sir. Gonna get that good footage today, boy.
Yeah, give me a 4 real quick if you can. What up? What up, vlog? What's up? As you can see, we got a single turbo right here, E92. Oh, I forgot what model is this, I'll be honest, but. Oh! Yeah!
It's a bit loud now. Yeah, Phil. Let's go.
Yeah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hey, how do you feel? We made it to the meet.
Barely.
Oh god, we barely made it. Sheesh. Alright, let's see what we found. We got M3 40i. M3 40i. Oh shit, what the fuck is this?
Oh, it's turbo, bro.
Oh, is it? No, you're lying. Where is it? I don't see no turbo. What I want to see is this bad boy over there.
I don't know about
Nice.
that, buddy.
Your average Supra. On God, you won't run it.
Huh?
On God, you won't run it.
You got me.
We got the Volkswagen.
The Volkswagen.
Sheesh. We got all them Corvettes over here lined up. I think homie over there finna park it up over here. Twins.
So nice, right?
Dude, I would rock this even if it's pink.
I would rock this car.
Damn. I wish that was me, bro.
I wish, bro. I gotta do the new.
This one badass too, though. Old school right here. Wait, it's camera wrap, bro. Where is it? Carbon fiber. Yeah, right in there. GT3, but it's not an RS. So we don't care about it. Oh, look, carbon fiber up there too. The bike boys. Big old scoop. That thing taking all the air.
Oh god. Look at this one.
Oh, I seen this the other day. Thing clean. Is that a Supra? Supra? You got the Z's all lined up right here. Like the fit man on the Mini. Sheesh. Clean, clean, clean. Dang. Shit is chromed out. M4 CS. I know.
That's my favorite car.
Clean. Oh, it's right hand drive too.
Yeah, it's right hand drive.
Ah, but look, it's automatic.
Hey, bro, that's still nice.
Still clean though.
I just love this rear end.
I got a fin mount on that one.
I was gonna say, look at that stance on that one, bro.
Clean, clean, clean. Sheesh. Z06. Oh god, big old dog. Yeah, trying to say what's up. Sheesh.
What I gotta do to have this type of car?
Bro, just sell your liver.
Like, what I gotta do? Like, just
Start an OnlyFans.
that's one way. Like, what I gotta do? Like, for real. I would like to have this
So clean, bro.
driveway just chilling there.
It's a lot bigger than it seems, though.
Like,
Damn.
content creator.
Big Tonka. Nice, clean Ferrari. Ooh, I like the interior. White goods. Where? Oh.
I think the roof.
I like the interior, though. It's clean, clean. Oh, you can remove the roof?
Bro, I would be scared to get them dirty though.
Oh, God.
I'd be so scared.
Imagine how much it would cost to clean it, then.
Huh?
What you trying to do?
Anything. I just enjoying watching the cars too.
I guess you keep pointing.
No, it's just like this. Look. Huh?
You said anything, so I'm gonna clap your cheeks.
Oh my God. Look at this. Now this is big baller status right here, bro. This is like VIP right here. Yeah, dude. Oh my God.
It's a big ass screen right there, mira.
Tears, fire.
Dude, it's so touch screen.
Imagine getting top in here.
Hey, my kid's right here, bro.
That's how she was made either way, bro.
Hey, bro, chill out. You ain't gotta know.
Damn. Bro, this one is all-wheel, or like the all-wheel steering. The rear wheels turn while they whenever you turn the wheel to.
I'm Mercedes, bro. What about Corvette though? What do you think about Corvette?
Yeah, that's alright. I'd rather have this than compared to the Corvette though.
So
for
would you
sure.
have that or this?
This one for sure. What you mean?
You say big ball or whatever.
I want to be big baller status. Come on. If only we got here a little bit earlier, though. Yeah, everyone got their cars washed and everything. Everything's like popping. The wrapper's pretty cool though. Don't you see it? Like, it's like camo, but it changes like colors. Damn. I don't know nothing about trucks, but that looks expensive. Oh shit. What'd you do, bro?
smash your knee on that. It's overwhelmed, bro.
Let me get the front end. Thing like menacing. Shit. Clean. The interior, let's look at the interior.
Oh, look at that right there.
The emblem.
Yeah, that one right there. That shit cool. It's a nice little touch.
Low, low, low.
What's up? This is the old school trapper Ferrari, bro. Is that, dude? Is that how you change the gears right there?
Huh?
That little lever right there? Oh my god. Bruh, man couldn't make it. Damn. Buddy on the tire, that's how you know he fast. Hello. Yeah. Absolutely insane. I think this one's the best out of all of them, bro.
I think so too, bro. Oh shit, that car running away.
Well, guys, I'm pretty fucked. One of my fuel lines just gave out on me. Well, not one of my fuel lines, but one of my fuel lines in the tank just completely went out. So the car won't start because my fuel pressure is at 20, and that's supposed to be at 80, 85, 90 psi, but it's at 20. So I was just having a good day until all this happened. Great. The car won't start back up again. Now, why it doesn't turn on? I still have no clue, but she do look clean, so I can't even complain. But for the reason for why most likely it's not turning on is I'm guessing a fuel line in the fuel tank that we probably messed up trying to put on, but I'll show y'all right now, trying to start it up. All right, so. Nothing. And the reason for that not turning on, that's the fuel pressure from the low pressure fuel pumps before it gets to the high pressure fuel pump. And as you can see, it's at 3, which is supposed to be at 80 psi at least, at minimum. Let me see when I try to turn it on. Nothing. It doesn't go up a single bit. Something in the low pressure side is not making it turn on. And it's very unfortunate because everything was going smoothly. And I do have the new part coming in that I think it might be. So if anything, let's hope that it might be that. But I also got one thing that I do want to do before we get this car back on. But you're gonna just have to wait because it's pretty exciting. All right, but I'll see y'all next time. I hope y'all take it easy. Have a wonderful weekend, weekday, whatever day you're watching this. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'll see y'all next time.